Hi guys, my name is Sumer and you're watching Umer's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this polyurethane multi-purpose foam, and it's used for fixing, insulating door and windows frames, filling and sealing gaps, insulating electrical outlets and water pipes. So you can see all the usage on the front, and onto the back side you can see all the precautions and features. So it is very careful about not to breathe the air which you are using, so it should be open, so open outdoor, or it is a very ventilated. Be sure that to use eye safety like this one, which is very uh, recommended, which is compulsory with this. Otherwise if it goes in your eyes, please wash it and contact the doctor. And all the things are written over here, and let's see from inside. So it comes with this box, it comes with this nozzle. You just have to place it like this, like a screw. Keep the can like this upside down and press this like this, and place it anywhere you want in the gaps. So as you can see, I have already placed this for about 20 minutes. So you can see it is hard and it stick to the surface. So like this, it is kind of spongy, and it is like this one. So we can break it as well, and we can clean it as well. So let's see how it works. You have to press the can upside down like this and press this. Be sure it is very small pressure, otherwise it will be very big, so you have to practice it. So it have been placed like this. It is very sticky and like a shaving foam like this. When it's placed like this, and after 20 minutes it will be turned into this type of system. So it will be hardened in 10 or 20 minutes, and we can simply clean it by the help of any kind of thing like this one. And let's place it into the window gaps. It's been 20 minutes and the foam we have poured out, it is dried right now. So you can see it is like this. It is hard one and we can break it easily. So that's how it works. Now it is time to clean the nozzle. You're gonna take it out like this, and the foam have been stuck inside, so we have to clean it. We have to open it up like this. And if you have any kind of hardware you can use that, but I'm using this one, these drill bits. like place them. The tube have been cleaned out and this was stuck inside. Now it's time to clean up this. You have to and also see from inside if it is stuck, but it's not. So our cleaning have been done and it's ready to use it again. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.